Hey guys, so apparently you can get these installed on your Kimbo when you order it. I didn't know that, or it wasn't an option when I ordered mine. Mine's right close to the 500th one built. Uh, but I installed them myself. They're not hard at all. You just got to know where to put it. So I'm going to show you how I did it, and you can do it too. It's pretty easy. Once I got the panels off, I determined which way was up. On the back side, this section that's routed out was already done in the factory, so it was just a matter of determining where that was. And so I measured over and wrote down the out to the edge, the dimensions. And so we have a top, we have the sides, both sides, and up from the bottom. Just, you can't have too many. And just as a reminder to myself, put a little mark that it was out to the edge. Took a photo of it all, so when I put it back on, I still have it. Then transferred it, those dimensions, to the inside in the Kimbo. So once inside, then it's just a matter of marking it up with a Sharpie using the dimensions, making sure you're in reverse, going the same direction as your panel. I'm gonna drill it.
It's time?
Yep. If I can find my drill. Okay, I'm starting.
Well, it's on.
Is it on video?
We're rocking and rolling.
Okay. Oh, I gotta make the holes a little bigger for the carriage bolts to actually, the excess carriage bolts. So we got our 21/64 holes so that the carriage bolt excess will fit through. So let's try it again. Hey, look what came in the mail today. Make sure you orientate this the way you want it. This way the jugs will be up and down. This way they would be sideways. I could see myself making that mistake pretty easy. Okay, tighten it up. Oh, that's right, I don't have anybody help me. We'll see how this goes. So I'm having all kinds of fun inside trying to keep these from spinning, but you know, it's a fun challenge. The guy on Should Be Good, where I first saw this idea and found out that this wasn't even an option originally in Kimbo, he suggested putting tape on the back. Not a bad idea. Okay, these are torqued in and tight and all over the place. I think I put way too much on, but what do you do? I probably should. Well, that's why you watch these videos, right? To see what these other fools are doing, and you think, I got a better way to do that. Tape it up next time, or cover it, or something. Just don't do what he did. I recommend getting aluminum colored, like I did. I've sit cut 221. Because if this was white or black, it'd really look bad. I'm just using rubbing alcohol. I don't know. There's probably something better. Acetone might be a little too much. It's kind of like boogers. The more it just spreads around if you don't cut it with something. Okay, I'm kind of starting to like it. But take these gloves off. Voila. And there is the final deal. There it is. Voila. And if you end up getting the Rotopax, the black is a little bit cheaper, and this baby gets hot. It gets hot water. So if you want to wash up and you camp when it's sunny, it's a pretty handy little item. And then this spigot, it's kind of pricey. I tried to make my own, but it needs to have air. It's a part chamber to let air in, and there's a tube that goes up into here to let air in so that it can drain out, and then the other part is, so the other half is so water can come out. So it works well, and it's what you need though. It doesn't work very well if you don't. The one I made didn't come out worth a damn, so worth the money.